Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain how to knit this beautiful, very interesting, very wonderful and very easy knitting stitch pattern. See how beautiful looks of this pattern. This is what it looks from the right side and this is what it's look from the wrong side. And this is very easy to make. So this pattern you can use it ladies sweater, gents sweater, baby sweater, ladies cardigan, in shawl, in vest, in hats, in summer tops, scarves, and so on. This is very wonderful pattern. So this is only 12 rows repeat pattern. In order to knit this pattern, you need to cast on multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch. So enjoy knitting. Friends, I cast on 13 stitches on my knitting needle for a sample. Cast on as many repeats as you want. So we start knitting from right side and we slip each stitch and purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and we knit 1. We make 3 stitches in 1 stitch, yarn over, we make yarn over from right side and knit 1. This is 1 repeat here, slip 1, purl 3, knit 1. Now we knit again, we repeat, purl 3, and knit 1, yarn over and knit 1. We make 3 stitches in 1 stitch and we purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. Friends, this is our row 1. Now we knit row 2. Row 2 we knit according to the pattern. We slip edge stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 3, 1, 2, 3. This is our repeat pattern on wrong side. Now we knit 3 and purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Again we repeat, we knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl edge stitch. Row 2 is complete. Now we are going to knit row 3, So row 3, slip edge stitch, purl 3, purl 3 and knit 3. 1, 2, 3, knit 3. Again, this is our repeat pattern. We repeat it again. Purl 3, knit 3. Purl 3, purl 3, knit 1. So row 3 is complete. Now we knit row 4, and row 4 we knit according to the pattern. We slip edge stitch, we knit 3, purl 3, and this is our repeat pattern. Again we repeat, knit 3, purl 3, again we knit 3, purl 1. So row 4 is complete. Now we have row 5. Now row 5 we slip edge stitch, we slip edge stitch, purl 3, and we twist this middle stitch to front side, and we knit 3 knit stitch together. This is our repeat pattern. Again we knit, we purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, and we twist this middle stitch to right way, and we knit these 3 stitches together. Like so, and we purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 1. So this is our row 5. Here is our pattern. It looks very beautiful. Now row 6, we knit as it is, we slip edge stitch, purl, knit 3, purl 1, again knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, knit 3, purl 1. So this is our row 6. So our pattern is complete. Now we are going to alternate this pattern. Make this pattern here, here and here. So I am going to shift the pattern. So for this we slip edge stitch and purl 1 and we make 3 stitches in 1 stitch, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1 here. Now we knit purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, again knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. We make 3 stitch in 1 stitch, again purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. We make 3 stitch in 1 stitch and purl 1, knit 1. So we have knitted row 7. Now we knit row 8. Row 8 we knit according to the pattern. So we slip edge stitch, knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, again knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 1, knit 3, 2, 3, knit 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 1, purl 1. So row 8 is complete. Now we have to knit row 9. Row 9 we knit according to the pattern. So we slip edge stitch, purl 1, we knit 3, 1, 2, 3, again purl 1, purl 3, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, again purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 3, purl 1, knit edge stitch. So row 9 is complete. Now we are going to knit row 10. Row 10 we knit according to the pattern. So we slip edge stitch, knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, and knit 3, knit 3, purl 3, knit 1, purl 1. Row 10 is complete. Now we are going to knit row 11, and row 11 we slip edge stitch and purl 1, and we twist this middle stitch to right side, and we knit 3 together like this, and purl 3, 1, 2, 3, again twist to right side and knit 3 together. Again we purl 3, and we twist to right side and knit 3 together. Now purl 1 and knit 1. So friends, row 11 is complete. Now we knit row 12 on wrong side. So we slip edge stitch and knit 1, purl 1, we knit again, we knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, knit 1, purl 1, we purl edge stitch. So that's the repeat. This is how I repeat row 1 to row 12. You knit row 1 to row 12 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And friends, after your several repeats, your patterns will look like this. So I hope you like the pattern, and if you like this pattern, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and support to me. Thanks for watching. Be happy and all the best. Goodbye.